Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer pork chops with Old Bay seasoning. Let's begin. We have here some bone-in pork loin rib chops. And now let's open it up. Let's open it up. We'll need 4 pieces. There we go. Next we're going to season it with some Old Bay seasoning. There we go. Next we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. There we go, we seasoned both sides. Next we're going to turn on the air fryer and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. It's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the pork chops. Before we put in the pork chops, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. Let's put in the pork chops. Okay, we fit in all the pork chops and now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 15 minutes and we'll be back. It's been 8 minutes so far. Let's flip it over. Looking good. Okay, we flipped it over and now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, bone-in pork chops with Old Bay seasoning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.